Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 1962 Austin-Healey Sprite. It's fully restored, absolutely like brand new. Got a tonneau cover and a top, brand new. Runs and drives like a brand new car. Absolutely awesome. It's so cute. Fully restored. A lot of attention to detail on this car. Beautiful chrome paint, stainless. Every nut and bolt is like brand new. Here's our bonnet. This guy right here. Pops the hood. Turn the key here. Push the clutch in. Pull that out. That's it. Directionals. Cool. 805 miles on the restoration. Really fun little car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.